Looking for a delicious decadent chocolate lava cake option? These decadent chocolate lava cake are light and so easy too. Ingredients. For the lava cake, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt. For serving, vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Fresh berries, optional. Powdered sugar for dusting, optional. Directions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Grease 4 6-ounce ramekins and dust with cocoa powder to prevent sticking. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter and chocolate together in 30-second intervals, stirring after each, until smooth and fully melted. Stir in the powdered sugar until well combined. Add the eggs and egg yolks, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gently fold in the flour and salt until just combined and the batter is smooth. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center is still soft. Do not overbake. The center should remain gooey. Let the cakes cool in the ramekins for 1 minute, then run a knife around the edges to loosen and invert onto serving plates. Serve immediately with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream, and garnish with fresh berries and a dusting of powdered sugar if desired. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 12 minutes. Total time, 22 minutes. Kcal, 450 kilocalories. Servings, 4 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.